So friends, Nothing is unveiling its first ever proper flagship device, the Phone 3 in July, and today its colorways and prices have been purportedly been outed by a tipster over on X, and according to this source, the Nothing Phone 3 will come in black and white and will start at $799 with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and it will go up to $899 with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, and the base price is similar to what Nothing CEO Carl Pei teased a while back, €800. However, it's interesting to see this leak referencing US dollar pricing. We have to wonder, does this mean the Phone 3 will be fully launching in the US, not just a part of a developer beta program? That's still a mystery. Are the most things regarding this device. What we do now that it won't have Nothing's trademark clip interface on the back, though this may just get upgraded to a customizable dot matrix display, and the rumors prove to be correct. Nothing is also working on its first ever pair of over-ear headphones, and these will allegedly be called Nothing Headphone 1, and they will be offered in black and white with a release date of September 30 and a price of $299. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.